the virtual whiteboard. TVW.
Hello children. Today let us learn 3-letter sight words. First, let us learn the words for the vowel sound A. The letters AT make the sound at. AT make the sound at. BAT bat. BAT bat. CAT cat. CAT cat. FAT fat. FAT fat. HAT hat. HAT hat. MAT mat. MAT mat. PAT pat. PAT pat. RAT rat. RAT rat. SAT sat. SAT sat. I hope you all watch the video again and learn these words. I will be posting a live worksheet tomorrow and you have to submit the worksheet. Thank you.